I've got my gammon in a pan full of water. I'm going to add to that a red chilli that I've halved, a celery stalk, a halved carrot. Next I'm adding an onion, I've got a bay leaf, and for spices I'm going to use a star anise and a couple of cardamom pods. I'm just going to lightly crush them with the heel of a knife. The length of time you need to cook the gammon will vary depending upon its size, so check the back of the pack and work out how long you need. And once it's cooked, just turn off the heat and leave it to cool in the liquid for about 30 minutes. So my gammon has had its time in the pan and I've taken off the string, so now I'm just going to remove the skin from the top. And what we want to do is take the skin away but still leave a layer of fat beneath. So you need a long sharp knife so you can cut it away in a single piece. Now I'm going to score the fat in a crisscross pattern, so just use the tip of your knife for this, and then just again in the opposite direction. So for the glaze for our gammon, I've got some English mustard powder. I'm going to add to that some hoisin sauce and some honey. For the full recipe, click on the link in the description. Then just use a brush to evenly coat the gammon. The savoury and sweet flavours of the glaze will work really, really well here. All we need to do now is roast this for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's beautifully browned, then leave it to rest for about 10 minutes before carving. For more lovely recipes, don't forget to subscribe.